and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here. I'm Coach Julia, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the perfect figure skater's gift guide. Whether you are putting things on a wish list for yourself or you're shopping for a skater in your life, I've got a few things that you will definitely want to put on that shopping list. Now, all of the things that I will be mentioning on this gift giving guide, I'm going to link below so you can easily click and shop and get it shipped right out to you. Let's start with a few things that I consider pretty much essentials. The first one is a figure skating bag. Now, Zuca bag is the ultimate figure skating bag. It is on wheels, so you can roll it wherever you go, which is nice. All that gear can get heavy. And you can park it wherever you are and sit on it. The frame is so sturdy and it's built so you can use the bag as a seat. So if you're at a really crowded competition or session, or maybe you're traveling and there's no seats in the airport, this bag serves as a seat so you can sit down, lace up those skates, and not worry about having a super crowded area you're in. It has little compartments on the sides that are great for your CDs, for your competitions. You can pop your water bottle in there. It has a front compartment that perfectly fits any size of skate. I mean, you're not going to have skates that are too big to fit into this bag. And the really fun thing about these bags is they come in a zillion different frame and bag combinations. So you can put something together that is your personality. So number one on my list is a Zuca bag. Number two is what we call a kiss and cry bag. So just let me tell you what the name is. After a skating competition, competitors go to this little area where they sit with their coach and they get their scores. And it either turns out amazing because they skated really well, or it's terribly sad because they bombed. And that's called the kiss and cry area. So a little skating info for you. But we have these great bags nowadays called kiss and cry bags. They fit perfectly on the wall at the rink, so it fits on those boards. And these bags carry all your on-ice essentials. You could put your box of tissues in there, put your CDs in there, your water bottle, maybe your headphones, chapstick. These bags are fantastic. Again, they come in all different colors, so you can really express your personality. At our rink, we end up with a wall of kiss and cry bags, just like one after another. So these kiss and cry bags are going to really help you keep all your stuff together on the ice so you're not carrying a million different things in your hands and dropping them all over the ice. So number two is a kiss and cry bag. The third thing on my list is a really nice, warm, snuggly skating jacket. There are lots of jackets with fun skating designs on the back, but my favorite one is this Icefire Polartec skating jacket. It has this warm Polartec fleece on the inside to keep you snuggly, but on the outside it has this finish that's almost like a waterproof finish. The one I am going to link below has my favorite design on it. That's the layback spin. These all have beautiful designs, so pick the one that you like best. But my favorite is the layback spin. If you notice on my profile picture, that's me doing a layback spin. This is one of my favorite spins, so I have posted that jacket down below. The fourth thing on the list may surprise you, but in my opinion, it is a skating lifesaver, and that is Hot Hands toe warmers. These guys I literally wear pretty much every time I skate. They're great because they actually will sit right on your socks. You can just put them on your toes before you put your boots on. They fit in pretty much every boots. I have custom made boots that are just exactly to my feet, and I can still fit these little guys in my skates. You just break it open a few minutes before you put your skates on. They're air activated, so you want to give them some time to get some air circulating in them. Sometimes I will flop them around in the air like this a little bit to really get the air in there. And then there's adhesive on the back, so you just stick it on your tights or your socks, slip it in your skates, and it will keep your toes warm, okay? You could just get a couple of these and put them in the stocking stuffer type things, or Amazon actually sells boxes of like 40 packages of these things. And those, in my opinion, if I wanted a skating gift, that would be a thing to give me because I wear these things all the time. So number four is toe warmers. Taking care of your feet is so important as a figure skater, and one of the things that I've been using for literally 10 years to help my feet recover is this Pampermint foot care set. So peppermint helps take down inflammation. So if you've been skating for a long time and your feet are really, really tired, putting peppermint on them is going to help take down that inflammation. This little set, like I said, I've been using it forever. I love it. It comes with the cutest little socks. They're fluffy and snuggly little socks. And then it comes with this exfoliating bar, okay? So it's got peppermint in there. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. And it's got little scrubbies in the bar. So you can use this in the shower and kind of scrub your feet, and it helps get any roughness away. So that's great. And then it comes with this foot balm, okay? So after you get done with the scrub, you get out of the shower, you put a little bit of this foot balm on there. The next morning, your feet will feel good as new. It's from a company called Arbonne, which I love. All their products are pure, they're safe, they're beneficial. And again, I'm going to put a link to all of these things down below. So if you want to grab this for yourself or as a gift, you can easily click that link and shop. So take care of your feet. And this is my favorite little set for doing that job. Keeping track of what you do during your practice sessions is really important because it helps you make sure you're not forgetting to practice things, and it also helps you track your progress. So this little booklet is a fantastic tool for that. You can just pop it in that kiss and cry bag I mentioned earlier. It has pages so you can fill out for your various different practice sessions throughout the week with the date, the skills practice, things you need to remember for each of those skills. You can bring it to your lessons and have your coach write notes for you on what to practice the next time. So this is a great little tool. And in the very back, it has a section for goals that you're trying to achieve so you can see when you have achieved those. So fun little booklet. You can pop this in a stocking or, get one for yourself, get one for your skating friend if you're giving out gifts to your friends at the rink. But so we have this figure skating practice notes booklet. So when I was younger, I had this book about the history of figure skating that I absolutely loved. I read it cover to cover, memorized it, and it gave me such a deeper understanding and appreciation about how far my sport has come. Unfortunately, that book is out of print, but I found another one that is fantastic. I have read it. It has tons of really great information about the history of our sport. In fact, it's called Figure Skating: A History. It's a hefty read, you guys. It doesn't have a ton of pictures, but there are some. That's one of my favorite figure skaters right there, Katarina Witt. So it gives you just a great overview of the sport, pictures in the back about some of the various champions and what they contributed to our sport. So if you have someone who likes to read or just is a history nerd like me, this book is going to be a perfect Christmas gift for them. Once again, it's called Figure Skating: A History by James R. Hines. And again, I will link that book in the description area below. Another fun gift idea is a rack for your skater to hang all of their skating medals on. I had one of these when I was younger that I absolutely loved. I proudly displayed all my medals as I earned them. And now as an adult figure skating coach, I have gotten myself a new one. Again, I just love having that achievement hanging there on the wall in my office. So the one I have has a peg where I put all my first place, second place, third place, fourth place, and then the fifth peg I put all of my skating lanyards, and it has a little shelf on top for trophies and certificates and that kind of thing. But I also found one that is metal and it says Ice Dreams with a little figure skater on it. I think it's so cute. So I'm actually going to put a link to both of those in the description down below. All right, skaters, we're almost there. I just have two things left on my Figure Skaters gift guide. The first one is this beautiful little bracelet. It says Coach. I have one that says Coach because a student of mine gave it to me, but there's also ones that say Skater in the middle. They're super cute. They come in pink or teal. And then the top has an infinity love charm. Then it says Coach or Skater in the middle. And then there's this little skating boot charm at the bottom. Super cute. You can get one for yourself, get one for your skating buddy at the rink, get one to put in your skater's stocking. Nice little bracelet that shows your love of the figure skating sport. All right, skaters, we're down to the last item on my gift giving list. This one is for the really special skater in your life. About 12 years ago, a group of students gave me this beautiful spiral figure skater. and I wear it with pride. Now, unfortunately, this spiral skater is not being made anymore, but I found a layback spin skater, and as I mentioned before, the layback is my favorite spin to do. It is in my profile picture, so I thought it was just perfect. It is a really special pendant made out of gold and silver in a layback spin position. So you can pick this out for that skater who's really, really special in your life. They will treasure it, I'm sure. I treasure this one, and it always brings back special memories of the people that gave it to me. All right, skaters, I hope you found this list helpful, maybe thought of a couple things that you can give to your skater or maybe put on your own wish list. Or if you're just doing a little shopping for yourself this holiday, you can give yourself something nice. Once again, I'll be posting the links to all of these down below so you can easily click and shop and get those gifts ordered. I hope you enjoyed this. Of course, I look forward to reading all those comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for all my future videos.